Calamansi. Yes, it is calamansi, Mario. And Ams vlog, hello, shout out to you, Ams. I forgot to share it. Okay. I have to share it. Yes, I love calamansi juice. Yeah, you do. Do you have a lot of calamansi juice in your place? Amber Emmy, hello, good morning. Good morning, good evening to you. How are you today? How's your day? How's your morning? How's your evening? I hope you had a great day, and I hope you have a great night. Good morning, Manay. Good morning, Amber. Kumusta po? Kumusta po kayo? How's everyone doing? Amber Emmy. So I already have a cup of chocolate, hot chocolate, but not hot anymore. It's cold now, and I had enough. I still have a little bit left, but I don't feel like drinking and finishing this anymore because I feel like I'm having my acid reflux again. So that can be put away. And this one here, I already, okay, people. Naman, city. Pila? Apat. Apat. Wala lang yung 5, ha? Patrabi ay thank you.
Ito ka Winston to.
Winston.
Sa arito.
Ay, hala.
Padirin lang.
Wala na lang na.
Sa katrapo te.
Okay, sa katrapo. Ha?
Nagmotor ba? Maramang halos.
Di halos maminor?
Minor.
Nanam na uban dali. Murag way.
Ito hinungdan katundiri ito no?
Ha?
Ano ka na po ante mo ang gate?
Lagi?
Itong buwan na.
Mo gani.
Kusog ng itong dagana.
Nakakita dai kanto? Nakakita kanto pagbangga? Nakita kanto pagbangga? Nakakita kanto pagbangga gyud.
Kusog na yung dagana.
Kusog dai? Mao na.
Ay. Pag-git ko, wala ka kuan.
Wala ka bawi. Just maritising, guys. Kisiling taho.